down him there.
There, down.
Where are they going? Frisco. Frisco. Lie down. Lie down. Okay, now you can go. I just don't want them going too much to that corner.
Should I send them that way then?
Yeah, yeah.
Get back. Get back.
Okay, next time we'll have to be a little closer.
Okay.
That's okay. Kick him out.
There, get back.
They're down.
There, down. Down.
Frisco, lie down.
Yeah.
Yep, keep him working. Just don't let him overflank too much.
Get back. Get back.
Lie down.
There, down. Down.
See how he's
There.
how
Down.
far off?
Yeah.
Yep.
Get back. Get back.
Lie down.
There, down. There, down. Down. Boy.
When he does it,
There,
he's
down.
overflanking.
Down.
There you go. Nope. Kick him back
Down.
now.
Down. Yeah.
So if he doesn't, we'll have to work on your tone of voice.
Okay.
You're so nice. Now you didn't want to lie down. What are you doing?
Yeah.
Then I don't want the command in that angry voice,
Mhm.
because I don't want the command to be unpleasant. So I use a correction.
Okay.
Hey, you, what are you doing? Knock it off.
Yeah.
What do you think you're doing?
Yeah. Okay.
Hey, though, just kind of use that deep, gravelly voice, and then
Yeah.
you'll see him going, whoa,
Yeah.
what was I doing? And then say lie down.
Yeah.
Alright? You try that. See if he responds to that. My dogs have to be taught that that's my angry voice.
Yeah.
You know? That means I'm going to go after you and kill you.
Okay.
Okay? Go for it.
Beat alphabets, Dean. You can do it.
There you go.
Down.
Now remember, your lie down is that was better. It's authoritative, but a little strong. If he doesn't take the lie down, then what are you doing?
Okay.
There you go.
There. Down. Down.
No?
No.
You use the down in an angry voice.
No. There. Down.
There you go.
Boy.
It takes practice. Take him off the fence line. Kick him around again. Good. Lie down.
There,
See how
down.
he's off balance when he does that?
There.
Now lie down.
Down.
Good.
Good boy.
Okay. That was good. We're going to do eventually some fence line stuff, but because we got squirrely lands and some of these are about to get burst, we'll wait for next time.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
So kick him out. Let's walk to the other side of your sheep, so you're 12 o'clock. A little more to your left. There you go. Stop. Now ask for a walk up. If he goes this way, you down him.
There. Walk up.
Good.
Good boy.
Good. Walk up.
There. Walk up. There. Walk up. Walk up. Come.
Walk. No, not
There.
come.
Down.
Lie down. Come is working you.
Okay.
A walk up is straight on the sheep.
Okay.
So if you call him, he's not going to be working sheep. Okay? So we're going to do that again. He wants to do it, he just is not sure.
Yeah.
So flank him around, get a sheep.
There. Sheep. Get back. There. Down. There.
He's still a
down.
little off. That's okay.
Yeah. I want him at 12, yeah.
Alright, that's fine. Walk a little towards me. Walk to the head of your sheep. Watch him. Down.
Down. Hey, listen.
Listen.
Good boy.
Lie down. Okay. Now walk so the sheep are in between you and the dog. And now ask for a walk up.
There,
Nicely.
walk up.
In a happy voice.
There. Walk up. Walk up. Walk up.
Get ahead of your sheep. First to come back.
There. Walk up.
Lie down.
Good boy. Walk up. There.
Take
Walk
him
up.
on a little bit. Good.
Good boy.
Good boy. Down.
There. Down.
Good job.
Yeah.
Flank him again. Bring your sheep back. First to come back.
Get back.
Lie down. Lie down.
There.
Lie down.
There. No. There. Can I send him for that one?
Yep. She's the one
boy.
about
There,
to get
down.
burnt.
Down.
So easy with her.
Good boy.
Good. Now walk to this side. We're going to do it again. You want to always make sure that the sheep are in between you and him.
Mhm.
Because it's not to you, it's to the sheep.
Bear, walk up. Good boy.
Okay. Good boy.
Good boy.
Good.
boy.
Down.
Bear, down.
Flank him.
Down. Good boy. Bear,
Now
back.
down at 12 o'clock.
back.
Down.
Bear, down.
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 Up. There
Bear,
you go.
down.
Good.
Sorry.
That's okay. Walk to the head of your sheep again.
Bear, walk up. Good boy.
Good.
boy. Good boy.
Down.
Bear, down.
Flank him.
Good boy. Bear, get your sheep. Get back.
Good. Lie down.
Down. Down. Down.
Briscoe here.
Boy. Quiet. Down.
Down. Briscoe.
Bear, down. Oi. Bear, down.
That's fine. Now walk. Same thing. Briscoe, wait.
Bear, walk up. Bear, walk up. Walk up. Bear, walk up.
Good.
Bear, down.
Good job.
Good boy.
Now you notice I have you down him when the sheep pass you.
Okay.
That's because you know you missed. When they walk past you, your walk up is done.
Yeah.
You know, because then you're in between him and the